Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and I'd like to take this opportunity to give a personal heartfelt testimonial to Shandilya Astrology and to Mr. Subrata for the classes that he takes on Rahu and Ketu as a part of Vedic astrology. Whether you are a new beginner in Vedic astrology or have been on the journey for some time, this interaction with him is something that is not easy to come by in the sense that you hardly ever find such good teachers. Somebody who's so open, so generous with their knowledge, and as a fee does not charge an arm and a leg for a miserly sum of two coffees at Cafe Coffee Day or Barista, or at Starbucks. You would get a lifetime of knowledge just to begin with on Rahu and Ketu. The way that he explains things to you, it's beyond valuable. It's priceless. I would definitely recommend everybody who's interested in knowing more about Vedic astrology to go ahead and get in touch with Mr. Kaur and his fantastic team. The way that they interact with you, it's so humble, it's so open, so welcoming, so generous, and the the sessions that happen are one on one, and at least they are for now. So I would say that it is high time that you take advantage of this wonderful opportunity that is presenting itself in front of you. I did a session with him on Rahu and Ketu, and my understanding of both of these energies, both of these nodes has increased beyond my expectation. The kind of insights that he brings are so intuitive, are so logical that I ended up thinking, as to why it didn't really cross my mind till now. And it's the beauty of the course is in its simplicity, in its genuineness, in its content. It's fantastic, and the kind of support that he gives, even beyond the course, is something that only needs to be experienced. So please do go ahead. Uh, you know, um, uh, Take this opportunity. Make sure that you are able to sign up and get the knowledge that he's so willingly, so so generously sharing with the world. Thank you.